Hey everyone, so today I'm showing you guys how to make a read-only channel on your Discord server. And it's actually pretty easy. You can do this on mobile, computer, whatever, but I'm just going to be showing computer as an example. So what we're going to do is we're going to click the Still Gear and it says Edit Channel. Then we're going to go over to Permissions. Now we're pretty much there. And we have to mess with the permissions a little bit. So we're going to do view channel, and then we're going to do deny image send messages. So now people can't really write on this. But let's say you want mods to be able to write on your read-only channel. I should probably note that if you made the server, you'll be able to write on it anyway. But let's say you have like a friend you want to be able to write as well. We're going to have to make a role so they're able to. So we're going to escape. We're going to go over to server, and we are going to go to server settings, roles, create role. Now the role, I'm just going to make it real simple so we can do this fast. We're just going to do it mod. Then we're going to go to administrator, just because, oh, is it not going to let me? Maybe not. I don't know. Oh, there we go. Sorry, I think I was clicking too fast. And then we're just going to click Save Changes, Escape. Now that we have that role, we're going to go back to, we're going to go back to Edit Channel, Permissions, and we're going to click this little plus right there. We're going to click Mod. We're going to click that. Then we're going to go to, I'm trying to find it. There we go, Send Messages. So now we can. And you just have to give the person the role, and now your thing is going to work. So, I hope this video helps you guys. If you enjoyed, like, subscribe, have a great day.